Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to enable your camera in Google Chrome because some sites require you to enable your camera before, of course, you're able to use your camera. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to manage that one. Alright, so just go ahead and scroll to the top right of your screen, go to the three dots over here, click on that, and go to settings. Then you can see that there's a tab here for privacy and security. Just go ahead and click that one. Scroll down and go to site settings. All right, and you can then again scroll down again and go to camera. All right, so right here you can see that there's an option into which camera you want to use. All right, so I'm using the built-in camera for my laptop, and my behavior is set to sites can ask to use your camera, which will then show a pop up whenever you're visiting a site if you want to allow them to access your camera and such. All right, so down here below, you can see the sites that you enabled to use your camera. So as you can see, there are some over here and those sites that are not allowed to use your camera. All right, so just go ahead and go back to Google over here. If you visit a specific site and you want to see if your camera is enabled for that one, just go ahead and go to the top left over here. You can see that there's an option here. Just click on that and go to site settings. All right. And you can see the list of permissions here. And as you can see, it will ask me first before my camera is enabled. You can set that to allow or block or whichever you want.